Hi, do you want to draft an email just from your audio notes? Maybe you are on a meeting and want to take a quick notes of the meeting uh, recording the audio. Then please watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm gonna quickly share how you can automate the process of transcribing audio files into text on autopilot. And yes, this can be applicable for any voice app you're using. Maybe you're using any Slack or anything like that in your internal communication. You can easily connect this for that automation, or maybe you can just get the file of the audio file and just upload it to Drive. So for this video purpose, I'm just gonna assume that you have the audio file, and we are gonna upload it to Google Drive, which is my storage platform for this video. You might have been using any other platform, but this is the part I'm gonna share about how you can automate the process of transcribing audio into text, uh, uploading the audio files. So let's dive in. So what tools I use is I'm using PabblyConnect, which will make the apps talk to each other, and Assembly AI, which is the transcribing platform, you can easily find it out. It has a very reasonable pricing, as you can see. It gives around $50 credits, and it's a pay-as-you-go model. So this is the API we are going to use. API is more like this is the software we are going to use to transcribe audio files into text, and we will just add that text into a Google Doc. But yes, depending on your requirements, you can add it to any other place as well. Like maybe you have a Notion document, or you want to create an email draft. I'm leaving you that part open. So as I said earlier, I'm not gonna cover into a depth part of where you can upload the transcribed audio or how you can upload the audio. I'm gonna only talk about the part of how you can upload just an audio file to Google Drive in your folder. So maybe you have a different storage purpose, or you can easily do this automation in those platforms as well, as long as it's technically possible. So in this video purpose, I have built an automation which starts every 5 minutes. It starts checking this automation gets triggered, and then it will list a folder content. So I have created two folders here. One is transcription and one is transcription completed. As you can see, there are some audio files already here, and that are already transcribed. So once I upload a file here, it automatically fetches this. So this automation is what it is doing is, I have mapped it to check this audio file and get the folder ID. So I have already given this. So once an audio file gets uploaded here, it constantly checks every 5 minutes. Public checks that if there is a new file, and once there is a file in this folder, it automatically sends it to Assembly AI, which is the AI platform which I'm using to transcribe that audio into text file. You can easily get an API key here, just going into this API key section, and you can create an API key from here itself. And yeah, I got already two of my API keys, but yes, you can delete whatever you are not using and just use it. And all you need to do is just go ahead and connect your Assembly AI account and all. Once it is ready, add a delay step. So I'm sending this to transcribe. So as you can see this, I have already given this download file URL and file ID and all. So once this file is available, that file gets uploaded here, and then it gets transcribed. So there is a delay of 2 minutes or so. Just waits for the 2 minutes just for that file to get processed, and once that file gets processed, it automatically gets the details of transcript. So we are waiting for that process to happen. Like once you upload the audio file to Assembly AI, it takes a few seconds to minutes. So once, that's the reason we added a delay of 2 minutes, and once that is ready, we will get that audio file based on this audio ID. So basically we are just getting the audio ID, we are adding this transcription ID from this step here, and then we are appending it as a paragraph to a document. So let me show you how it works. So here, as you can see, create an audio tutorial on how to transcribe audio files into text on autopilot. So this was the audio I recorded earlier through this audio file here. So this was the one, automate public transcribe audio tutorial. So once that file got uploaded, it ran the workflow, as you can see, and it transcribed it. And then to avoid this getting repeated, so we have moved that file to another folder here. So this is a folder where it says that transcription is completed. So we don't want to transcribe the same audio again and again, right? So once the audio file gets uploaded and once it is done, it gets automatically added here, so that this folder stays empty and it won't trigger another automation to run the same workflow again and again on the same audio file. So this way you can easily upload. If you have bulk audio files also, you can just dump them all here and get them transcribed, because this automation looks for audio files constantly, and once there is a file, it transcribes, it sends it for processing to assembly AI. And as you can see, it sent it just before this video. I have made this ran successfully and moved this file to this folder and added that text, whatever the transcription is. This was the transcription I added, but yes, I have limited this number of characters and all. But you can draft emails or whatever you want. You will be using AI pricing as per this model, so you will be charged as per this pricing, and you can just send data across and get it transcribed. Maybe you want to draft an email, or maybe you are writing a blog post or something. You just want to record an audio note and get it done. And yes, remember, this automation can be used with any other platforms as well. Like you can do this. I'm using a different storage platform. Maybe you have another storage platform for files, and you can easily automate that process as well. Like maybe you're getting audio file from somewhere else. Maybe you're using Slack internally to communicate. Then you can replace this Google Drive with Slack and get this all job done. So let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.